Alright, what's going on YouTube? So today we're going to be working on gold camo for the M10 Breacher. So all we need to do is get 30 kills without taking any damage, 50 kills without any attachments, and 30 kills while or shortly after sprinting. So this is going to be really easy. Let's get to it.
Show some initiative, and Miss Kagan will take notice.
Deploying sentry.
Yeah, I'm not.
Taking baseline. His location. Scout full standing by. There's only one move.
Logging UAV mission request.
Scout full threat. Them try to set it.
We have the enemy exactly where we want them. Mission metrics exceeded projection. Impressive work. Fucker.
We're losing Charlie. Losing.
I need eyes overhead.
We lost B.
Sorry, I didn't see your name.
Hostile UAV established above. Stay tight. We're in the lead. Hostile counter UAV above.
TACOM, launch the UAV.
Giant.
Losing B.
He holded the impact nade so he can get the kill free. What a rat.
Taking B.
I need eyes overhead.
Losing Bravo. We lost B. Hostile UAV established above. Securing B. Losing B. Enemy UAV detected. Losing Bravo. UAV established above. Enemy care package dropping. Locking down Bravo. Enemy UAV detected. Game face. Enemy LDBR inbound. Hostile UAV established above. Losing B.
Second, I need eyes overhead.
You haven't.
Holy, this kid is terrible. He's Prestige Master and he's using those grenades, bro. Like, are you that terrible at the game?
Losing Bravo. We lost B.
Attack 'em. Establish UAV above.
Hostile counter UAV above. Enemy UAV detected.
There's smoke.
Taking C. Prep for exfil. We gotta cut our losses.
Cock effort. We got our asses kicked there.
Oh man, at least I'm not negative, bro. Like, these kids are terrible.
I see you.
The way they play.
Clean kill. 5 of them.
Hostile UAV established above.
I could
Hostile counter UAV above.
I don't know, bro. I think this guy's cheating. UAV just popped as soon as he got like that quad feed.
Hardpoint located.
So
Enemy UAV detected.
he is on PC, Xbox, or Xbox PC, so he could be cheating.
Enemy UAV detected. Hardpoint identified. Hardpoint locked down. Enemy CUAV established overhead. Hostile UAV established above.
Sentry turrets live.
Enemy UAV detected.
Dude, teammates, how do you miss that
Hardpoint
guy?
located.
I swear, some of these teammates are bots. Like, look at our teammates' levels and stuff.
Hardpoint active. Hostiles have the hardpoint. Hardpoint locked down. Hostile UAV established above. Got the hardpoint. Hostile UAV established above.
Yeah.
Hardpoint is active. Hardpoint is active. Hostiles have the hardpoint. Hardpoint locked down. Hostile counter UAV above. Enemy UAV detected. Hostile care package above.
Scout pulse ready. You are ready.
The field took the hard point.
Oh.
Net call. Napalm strike inbound. We're down.
I'm gonna find out why you died. I don't
Yep.
care about. I don't
This
rock
guy's
and
on
roll on this
Xbox
shit no
PC, so
more.
I need to see this. I mean, I don't know, the beginning of that,
Oh.
yeah, I don't know. I just don't know if this guy's legit or not, because he was beaming us during the start of the game, but and sometimes in that one point where, how does he know I was behind him, or, I mean, hey, they're probably cheating for free, but they're not.
Hostiles released a skewer.
It was two. I got one. He's on the other side of the gate to the left. And there's a dumbass in the back of our fucking spawn, too. Bitch.
B.
Scout pulse standing by.
Locking down Bravo. Enemy care package dropping. Hostile UAV established above.
Available for assignment.
He in our spawn with his bitch ass.
Taking B.
Standing by.
This shit crazy, yo.
And there we go, boys. We finally got gold camo on the M10 Breacher. But all I'm gonna say is, I'm not really a fan of the shotgun, even though it is still OP on hardcore and everything else. All it is because of the charge time. Whenever you hold the trigger, it'll increase its hip fire. That's the only thing I have to say about it. It's just I'm not a fan of it just because of the it's a charge time weapon. But we still got it anyways. Well, hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.